Okay, socialite, so we're getting ready to go shop the first day of the sale. I've used the Magic Water Cream from Charlotte Tilbury because it's so hydrating. This type of moisturizer is one of the best to use with a powder foundation, which is what we're about to do because I'm in a time crunch. I want to go eat too, so... So the socialites recommended that I try these Charlotte Tilbury lipsticks, Penelope Pink. And then this one is Yes Honey. And I feel like I like that one a little bit better. wanted to try these sparkly glosses from Anastasia Beverly Hills. This clear one is really pretty. This sparkling amber shade really did it for me. I was gagging.
Yeah.
Eyeing these Ilia palettes. To me, they sort of give the Hourglass Ambient palettes, except much cheaper. So the pigments on these are like much more baked and much more drier of a formula. So I feel like this one will work for someone who wants that subtle, soft pigment. So the girlies have been raving about this new icy palette from Huda Beauty, so I had to get my hands in it. The first shade is sort of like that chalky glitter. The other shades went on so creamy. The pigment feels really soft like butter. It almost melts into the skin. This high metallic finish is absolutely everything. Sephora had mostly everything I needed. They didn't have Pat McGrath in that particular store, so we came over to another location. It has a Sephora, but I'm so hungry, so we're gonna grab a bite to eat and then go see what shade I should get in the Pat McGrath concealer, and then I should be done. So let's go.
You don't feel the same, wondering when it changed. Did you come to play, my baby? I'm running your race. My heart's in its place, wondering if you'll stay. I'm tired of figuring out whether you're in or you're not.
Okay, y'all, so lunch was really good. I resisted the urge to get the oysters Rockefeller, which is what I always get at Perry's. I ended up actually getting the vegan steak. It's like made out of mushrooms and it's so good. I always taste it on Mister's Plate, so I decided to get it for myself this time. 10 out of 10, y'all. It's so good. So we're headed into the second Sephora and then we'll head home. So hyped to finally swatch the new Makeup by Mario Ethereal Eyes palette. That blue color had been calling my name. It's so bold and pigmented. I really was interested in the shimmers too, and they're more so like eyeshadow toppers. There's no base to them. They're just like glitter toppers. The Pro Brush Set was probably one of the best purchases that I made the last sale. Now, I already tried the new Chanel Gabrielle perfume, which I like, but I wanted to compare it to the other two Gabrielles. And to be honest, all three of them smell really similar. I like them all.
Cause I've been where you are. You're too scared to show me love. Cause too fresh with the scar. Well, I don't have the